How to believe in yourself.
Stop negative self-talk. Your inner dialogue is powerful. When you repeatedly tell yourself, "I can't," your brain starts believing it. Start catching these thoughts and replacing them with realistic affirmations. For example, instead of saying, "I'm bad at this," say, "I'm improving with practice." This shift won't happen overnight, but over time, your thoughts will become kinder and more empowering. 2. Remember past wins. We often forget how many challenges we've already overcome. Reflect on situations where you succeeded despite fear, a job interview, a difficult project, or a personal struggle. Write them down in a notebook or phone note. Every time you feel uncertain, revisit that list. It reminds your mind that you're capable and resilient.
Set small, achievable goals. Belief comes from evidence, not wishes. Every time you achieve a small goal, your brain registers, "I did it." Start simple. Finish a workout, wake up early, or learn something new. These little victories create momentum and naturally build confidence to tackle bigger goals. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison is the fastest way to destroy self-belief. Social media makes it seem like everyone is doing better, but you're seeing their highlights, not their struggles. Remember, your journey has its own timing. Focus on progress, not perfection. The only person you should try to be better than is who you were yesterday. 5. Keep promises to yourself. Every time you follow through on something you said you'd do, even small things like reading for 10 minutes, you strengthen your inner trust. When you constantly break promises to yourself, you unconsciously teach your brain that your words don't matter. So start small, stay consistent, and rebuild that trust. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you spend time with people who constantly complain or criticize, you'll start doubting yourself too. Choose friends, mentors, or even online spaces that encourage growth and positivity. Supportive energy reminds you that your goals are possible. Self-imperfection. Self-belief doesn't mean thinking you'll never fail. It means trusting that you can recover when you do. Everyone makes mistakes, but confident people use them as stepping stones. Instead of thinking, "I failed," tell yourself, "I learned what doesn't work." Growth often hides behind mistakes. 8. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving what you want, i.e., giving a confident presentation, getting that job, or feeling peaceful in your life. Visualization programs your brain to recognize opportunities and act with purpose. It's not magic, it's mental rehearsal that improves performance and belief. Final thought. Believing in yourself is not about being fearless or perfect. It's about trusting that no matter what happens, you can handle it. When you keep showing up, learning, and trying, belief becomes a quiet strength that stays with you, even when life feels uncertain.